Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are answering mathematics paper 2 for 2025 GCE. So we have come to question 2A. So this question, we have A and B. So we are going to start with question A. Express 5 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 2 as a single fraction in its simplest form. So first thing, we are going to write our expression, which is x minus 1 minus 2 over x minus 2. So this is a fraction, this is a fraction. They want us to express it as a single fraction. So meaning that it's going to be written as a over b. So this one is considered a single fraction. Now, what you should do is look at the denominators. The denominators are expressions, okay? So what you are going to do is we'll check in the diagonals. We'll say 5, you multiply x minus 2. So you write 5, then x minus 2. Then you write this minus here. Then this 2 will multiply this one, 2, then x minus 1 over. So upon doing this, now since the denominators are expressions, so just get both of them. So you write x minus 1, again x minus 2. Then from here, expand on the numerator here. You say 5 times x, 5 times negative 2. So 5 times x, you get 5x. 5 times negative 2, you get negative 10. Again here, negative 2 times x, you get negative 2x. Negative times negative, you get a positive. Then 2 times 1, you get a 2. Over, you bring down these denominators, x minus 1 in brackets and x minus 2 in brackets. Then from here, you're going to say, you group the like terms, okay? So 5x, its like term is minus 2x. So you group them, 5x minus 2x. Now, when you're grouping the like terms, take these terms that have x's with their sign. So 2x as a negative. That's why I've written a minus 2x. Then you can start with a positive here, or you start with a negative 10. You get the same answer. So let's say we start with positive 2, then minus 10. So positive 2 minus 10 over, we write down our denominators, x minus 1 in brackets, x minus 2. So from here, what are we going to do? Let's just simplify. 5x minus 2x, this gives us 3x, positive 2 minus 10, okay? So you can see 2 is subtracting 10. So here you are going to get a minus what? 8. Then over, just write down these same denominators, x minus 1 in brackets and x minus 2 in brackets. So this is our answer. We have expressed it as a single fraction. Okay, so we have answered our question 2A. We are now going to answer our question 2B.